wa kuhotithia arimi kwendia magetha mao imwe kwa imwe.
Kindu kiria kinene muno turageria ni voro wa murimi kwendia kawa gake direct.
Tondu system iria koragwo kuo ne ugikana kawa gaku ukivira wa society ukinenuka nduici ni ndu ni kiro wandikirwa ukinenuka ndukumenyoka ari bwandwi ndukumenyoka ari bwari.
Murimi wa kahua na thengia wa gukorwo agikira kio wira-ini wake maita maingi arigagia na mbeca nini thina munene ari turia nime turia tukoretwo tugitawara thoko ya kahua.
Kahua gaiku kendio thoko ici cia Ruraya na mbeca iria kabesa ni mbeca nyingi muno, mbeca itikinyagira murimi kuri andu makoragwo me gatagati atwita karia nime makoya mbeca icio na thigino cia arimi mundu akeigia.
Kugia na muhoko wa kwarania na muguri imwe kwa imwe na kuiguanira mbeca iria mabatie kurihwo ni undu ukenetie arimi makiuga ni monete muhoko wa matuku mega maria mari mbere.
Murimi ndangitwika esi kuvanda kawa na gukamenyera na gukathia kirire giake undu atangivota ni kwendia. Riu uria gikeno kirani na ke umuthi ni ati riu nundu wa kurumirira mitaratara iyo already tuna mufano wa Good Beans kuma Korea maiguku
taru ni twegwa kuma rathiire maragurire kauga na siringi 140 per kilo na twakena muno twegwa tukakinya vau wanatungiruta wira wa kauga tio ni tweyandika tutigikathie kuria ivarwa kwene
ni hecite kirima na ngona that mahinda mega kana the best days of coffee are yet to come, you know, na nikyo godale mime dimere manyitirire hau.
Kawa ga Kenya ni kamwe ga karia gethagwo muno thoko-ini cia mabũrũri ma nanja ni gukorwo ni ga gikiro kia iguru na muigana wako ugakorwo uri munini na uguo arimi makorio metikire gucoka migunda-ini.
Kawa kaumite kuma kwi 130 metric tons kinya umuthi ni kindu ta 35 to 40,000 metric tons nicio iguo kana ikego uguo kinyaguriwa nao ni marauga ni kego uguo lakini gatiregana ni kanini.
Kabuni ino kuma South Korea iria yoikaine ta Good Beans ikoretwo ikigura kahua kuma kaunti ya Baringo kwambĩrĩria mwaka wa 2016 na mubango wayo ni kuongerera muigana wa kahua karia iguraga guku Kenya na nikyo irathiũrũrũka ikiranagiria na arimi kaunti-ini ngũrani.
The purpose of this visit is to meet the actual coffee farmers who produces Kenya coffee and then buy coffee from them directly.
Thoko ya kahua bũrũri-inĩ wa South Korea irabatara muigana wa tani 170 no kahua karia arimi ya guku bũrũri-inĩ marutaga no tani 40 ngiribotera Inooro TV ritũrekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Arutwo na aikari a itura ria Kambura-ini gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kieni kaunti-ini ya Nyeri mari na gitumi gia kuruhia thutha wa gwakirwo laboratory ya kiriu thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kambura-ini. Tabarĩra ĩno ĩkinyanĩirio rungu rwa ũnyitanĩri wa Nairobi Rotary Club na NGCDF ya Kieni. Peter Mwangi ni aratarĩria.
Mwaka uyu wa laboratory ya mathomo ma kompyuta uri na uhoti wa kuhuthirwo ni arutwo 20 ihinda-ini rimwe aria mateithiririe kumiaka makiuga ni gukorwo ikihuthirwo ni arutwo kuma thukuru-ini ingi iria iri hakuhi na ino.
It's supposed to serve at least 250 children. We have trained the teachers and the teachers are in turn going to train the students. The objective generally, I think, and we want to do this in other schools as well, is to ensure that the children are digitally literate. As you are aware that the world is going digital, these children, whether they're in Kamburaini, whether they're in Nairobi or they're in New York, are going to compete on the same market for jobs, and they are expected to be digitally literate.
Mashukuru maria me haha na ona andu agima ona meguka ku benefit na computer lab ino tondu computer lab ino community-ini kwoguo mashukuru maria mangi no moke na mathomere haha andu agima no moke na mathomere haha Kambura-ini tha ici ena ciana 250 no uguo ti kuga andu 250 no me ku benefit.
Maugite ati itĩna-ini ria mbere tabarĩra-ini ino maratanya gukinyaniria miako ingi 10 ta ino kundu gutiganite bũrũri-ini.
So children who do not have the advantage to access and interact with these computers will be disadvantaged in the future. So our objective is to, in our own way, try and correct that by ensuring that we provide these digital labs to the children.
A project ino tumivagite miaka ya gatatu ya mbere tũgwĩkĩra computer labs cukuru 10 nĩ twĩkĩrĩte ya mbere twĩkĩrĩte King'ero primary school ĩyo ĩ Kiambu no mũthĩ nĩ twekĩra ya kerĩ Kambura-inĩ primary school ĩ Nyĩrĩ nĩ tũgũcoka tũthiĩ Kakamega Shishasari primary school na tuima hau tũgũcoka tũthiĩ Kilifi.
Mũmbunge wa Kieni Kanini Kega ũrĩa ũhumbĩte riri igongona rĩrĩ augĩte atĩ tabarĩra ĩno nĩ ĩrĩhũthĩragwo nĩ aikari arĩa mariganĩtie na thukuru ũcio nĩguo kũmahotithia kwĩmathĩra mathomo ma kompyuta. Aciari na arutani nĩ magathĩrĩirie tabarĩra ĩno makiuga nĩ kũmahũthĩria mũrigo marakoragwo naguo magĩetha motungata marĩa megũkorwo makĩamũkĩra thukuru-inĩ ũcio.
Ũndũ ũrĩa ingiuga nĩ ũndũ wa kompyuta ici nĩ tũkũhota gũkorwo tũgĩteithĩrĩria ciana ithome ikorwo ciena digital kuma irio nini from grade 1 nginya arĩa me class 8.
Itura rĩrĩ nĩ gĩkũra na njĩra nene mũno nĩ tondũ ona ta rĩu nĩ ũndũ anake aya anini matirĩkoragwo marĩ aindo mũno nĩ tondũ mwana ũcio nĩ ũrĩhotaga kũmũtũma rĩngĩ 1 hour agoka gũkũ akeruta kompyuta.
Oho mugĩte ũkinyanĩria wa mũtaratara wa CBC no ũkũhũtha amu nĩ marĩkoragwo na motungata ma internet kũhĩtũkĩra mũtambo wa wifi ũrĩa mekĩrĩirwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.
Andũ 500 arĩa maritũhĩirwo nĩ mĩtũrĩre akũrũ arwaru na ciana kuma itũra rĩa Matharau Thika maraheo irio nĩ andũ a wendi mwega o mũthenya. Kambuni ya mĩgate ya Broadways ĩrĩa ĩrĩ hakuhĩ na itũra rĩrĩ nĩyo yambĩrĩirie mũbango wa kũhe aikari aya irio maita merĩ mũthenya mũtaratara ũrĩa magũtwarithia na mbere kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 5 yũkĩte. Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariuki nĩ aratarĩria.
Matharau nĩ rĩmwe rĩa matũra ma gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ marĩa makoragwo taũni-inĩ ya Thika kũrĩa arĩa maikaraga gũkũ nĩ arĩa methaga ciĩbarũa kambuni-inĩ iria iriganĩtie nao.
Twarutaga kũrĩa kwa prisons gũgĩũka gũkĩhingwo mathĩna magĩtũtwara na mbere. Tũroka gũkũ haha rũgongo tũrahetaga hagaki nao harahingwo. Koguo andũ arĩa me haha maradipendi na UTI nĩ marathiĩ kũhũra mahiga na nĩ aingĩ gũkĩra kwa recio ũguo andũ aingĩ nĩ jobless.
Kumanagia na marũrũ ma COVID-19 aingĩ ao nĩ mabutirwo wĩra kũrĩa marutaga na magĩtigwo magĩcaĩka kũrĩa mekũruta gĩa kũrĩa na orĩo ningĩ thogora wa igũrũ wa mũtũrĩre ũkĩmagũtha hanene ũndũ rĩu andũ arĩa arwaru akũrũ na ciana nini maraikara macũthĩrĩirie na nja andũ a wendi mwega mamateithĩrĩrie.
Rĩu ta niĩ rĩ ndirĩ mũndũ wa gũthũkũmĩra ciana ciakwa nĩ ciathirire. Rĩu niĩ heagwo nĩ mũndũ ũrĩa ũkũigua tha kĩbao ũkagũre kĩndũ ũrĩe.
Wabarwo kona nĩma tukĩrĩ ahũtu tondũ rĩu mũndũ no ngĩkĩandĩka mũndũ ta niĩ rĩ no ona kono ndĩkĩandĩkwo ndakena mũno.
Vitu vimepanda bei na kulingana na mapato ya watu. Kama kwa biashara ya chapati unga imeongezeka.
Kĩgirĩko kĩao gĩkĩiguo nĩ kambuni ya ũrugi wa mĩgate Broadways arĩa merutĩire kũhe aikari 500 irio cia kũrĩa o mũthenya handũ-inĩ ha mĩeri 5.
And we intend to do even other areas every month which will help the wananchi. There is a saying that we shall never become poor by giving.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ĩno Francis Musira aikĩtie ihoya kũrĩ thirikari kũmũrĩka thogora wa irio cia kũrĩa kuona a Kenya aingĩ nĩ marahinyĩrĩrĩka na makarĩra nĩ kũremwo kwĩgũrĩra irio cia o mũthenya.
Tunaomba serikali iendelee kusaidia sana farmers, watu ambao wanaleta bidhaa zile zinatumika kwa kutengeneza bidhaa ndio tuwe tunaweka bei ya mkate. Sisi tunatengeneza mkate, tunaweka bei ya mkate chini as much as possible.
Kũringana na cibũ wa itũra rĩrĩ rĩa Bahati Joseph Irũngũ Macharia wagi wa ciĩbarũa na mathĩna marĩa makoretwo itũra-inĩ rĩa Matharau ũcũngĩrĩire wongerereku wa ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri ũndũ ũrĩa we hamwe na wathani wa matũra marauga no ũnyihanyihe angĩkorwo aikari aya nĩ megũthiĩ na mbere gũteithĩrĩrio nĩguo mone gĩa kũrĩa hĩndĩ ĩno magũmĩirwo nĩ mathĩna maya.
Oya he hĩndĩ marirayaga na kware ciakoragwo mũgũnda wĩ haha kĩanda wa prison na rĩrĩa andũ a prison maugire kware icio ihingwo andũ aya nĩ magĩkire mũno tondũ nĩho monaga daily bread yao. Rĩu gwa kahinda-inĩ ta gaka nĩ twĩrĩga thirikari nĩ ĩrĩga kũrehe irio cia relief, na nĩ twaheire icagi 3 cia area ĩno itũ ya Bahati location. Nĩ twaheire gũkũ gwĩtagwo Matharau, he kĩngĩ gĩtagwo Umoja, na he kĩngĩ gĩtagwo Gacagi na haha mbere. No irio icio citiakĩrĩ nyingĩ ũndũ cikũmaigana othe.
Thengia wa kũgũmĩrwo nĩ thogora wa igũrũ wa mũtũrĩre, itũra rĩrĩ kũrĩ ona mathĩna mangĩ ta gwakĩrwo barabara njega, kũheo maĩ matheru ma kũnyua na gũkinyanĩrio kwa mĩikarĩre mĩega ya kĩmũciĩ. Kumana na marũrũ ma mũrimũ wa COVID-19 na rĩu thogora wa igũrũ wa mũtũrĩre, aikari a itũra rĩrĩ rĩa Matharau rĩu maraikara metereire mũndũ wa wendi mwega ũngiuma na bara nĩguo mahote gũtũra rũciũ rwao. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma itũra-inĩ rĩa Matharau, Thika, kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.
Na rĩu tũthiĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nginya iharo-inĩ citũ. Nĩmarageno nĩ department ya John Katawanjohi. Kaunti ya Makueni nĩ ĩiyũkĩtie ũhotani macindano-inĩ ma mahenya ma thukuru cia secondary thĩinĩ wa gĩtarũ kĩa irathĩro rĩa bũrũri. Kitui na Machakos nĩyo namba 2 na 3 kĩrũmanĩrĩrio macindano-inĩ macio marĩa matabanĩirio kĩharo-inĩ gĩa college ya St Mark Kigari, Embu. Macindano ma kĩbũrũri magatabanio mũthenya wa 2 na wa 3 kiumia gĩũkĩte ta ũrĩa Peter Mungai aratarĩria.
Thutha wa kuvingwa kwa kavinda ka miaka 2 kuumana na mututho kwa murimo wa COVID-19, mithako thiini wa thukuru cia muthingi na secondary ni cokererie. Thiini wa college ya Arimo ya Kigari nikuo arutwa a thukuru cia secondary gĩtarũ kia irathĩro rĩa bũrũri macemanĩtie macindano ma mathenya. Wanathengia gũkũra mithako ĩvingĩtwo kwa ivinda iraya, arutwo aya nĩmandĩkithĩtie maumĩrĩra mega marĩa makamavotithia kũng'ethanĩra na aruna ao kuma itarũ rĩcingi bũrũri-rĩ.
Hiyo iko sawa. Shukuru Mungu kwa siku ya leo. Kwa kuniwezesha, niko tayari kuwakilisha Kenya at Tanzania.
Hali ya hewa huku na Makueni, hewa huku iko sawa. Huku climate iko sawa. Imenisaidia sana.
Kufungwa kwa michezo kwa sababu ya COVID kwa hiyo miaka 2 imeniaffect. Juu hatukuwa tunaweza enda kukompiti mahali. Tulikuwa tu tunakaa kwa camp. Kazi yetu ilikuwa tu ni mazoezi peke yake. Hakuna competition.
Kumana na maumĩrĩra mega ma arutwo a kaunti cia Makueni na Kitui arĩa makoragwo magĩkĩra mevarĩria mao thĩinĩ wa kambi cia mithako, rĩu thirikari cia kaunti nĩ ciũrĩtwo gũkorwo igĩthondeka kambi ta icio nĩguo gũkĩrĩra taranda cia andũ ethĩ.
What is it that is so unique with the others that possibly we need to copy, that we need to borrow, we need to benchmark, we need to understand? It is therefore important for us to take that as a challenge and be able to work because we have the potential to do it.
Tutingĩhota gũcindana twĩta makaunti maya ma Eastern tutarĩ na camps. Cirĩgo kaciarĩ tuvarĩ ndai wĩrutĩtwo camp ĩmwe. Ona matinaigana tondũ nĩ ingĩ mũno. Kuguo na moka mande no magatũcinda. Tondũ matũrĩte makĩharagĩria matũre mateng'ekega magĩthiaga nje cia tha. Kuguo nĩ meharĩirie mũno. It's a big challenge to county itambĩrĩirie camps.
Wauguo arimũ nao nĩ maũrĩtwo gũkora makiiga mĩtaratara ya mwanya nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra wa mũrutwo ũrĩa ũrĩ na taranda cia mĩthako no avewa kanya kau nĩguo magakora makĩguna mĩtũrĩre yao.
We want to appeal to you to think about every time that you are in school and you are out for games, you are out for PE. Let our teachers help the children identify the areas they want to participate in. If it is athletics, let them be given an opportunity to be able to practice from Monday to Monday, from Monday to Friday. That is the only way we can be able to tap into the talent so that when we come to the field, we do not talk about muscle pulls, we do not talk about stress, we do not talk about fatigue.
Muthenya wa rũciũ macindano ma kĩbũrũri ma thukuru cia mũthingi magakora magĩtabanĩrwo kĩvaro rwa gĩkĩ kũrĩa arutwo 320 magakora makinyita itemi mathako macio. Vandũ Riva, Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbeta kwa Peter Mungai.
Na hau niho tugutirihira mohoro maitu ma umuthi ma Inoro tha ithatunga mucokeria ngatho muno ni undu wa kurerera mohoro ma Inoro TV na tutanamba gutiriha ni ngwenda kugeithia mundu gwitwo Paul Contractor wa kuma Rwaka aranjira ni merera mohoro na mamwa gwitwo nyina wa Sari kuma mwena wa Kimende na mundu ungi gutoshege wa Nyambura ni chairman wa Benson Kuria mwena wa Murengeti hena mutumia ndero etagwo wa UT kuma Karangatha rwa Nyambo amukira ngeithi citu na kairetu kendete muno kwirorera mohoro ma Inoro TV getagwo Jasmine wa Ngui Kairu tumucokeria ngatho muno ni gutwiriragira ugie na weekend njega no ugie no tukumwega wihirwo ni thayo mutauritu na njira ya cieko etagwo Stanley Kenyanjui nititagwo Jabi Owajao ya no tukumwega.
Niaje? Ni kama unashangaa kwa nini naangalia simu with so much focus eh? Usishangae sana. Nimekuwa ndani ya story kabisa. Ni kama ile hali ya juzi. Ni kama nilikuwa hapo iki happen. And when this new market was being opened, ni kama nilikuwa hapo tu. Hata vile local tourists for a special rate at the coast, I was there. And when this new road was being commissioned, I was right there. Na hata wewe, unaweza kuwa ndani ya story wherever you are. Just download Citizen Digital.
Stay informed on all the news and events as they happen across the country, the continent, and the world at large. Download Citizen Digital, Kenya's #1 news app.
Marua mafauru makeri kuri Timotheo, murago wa 4 muhari wa 7. Nindwite bareri njega. Nakio kiita itano giakwa ri, ninginyite gituri giakio. Naguo rutani uria wa witikio ri ni ndoire ndi umenyereire ngunyitio geni riu twamukire imenyithia cia ikuo.
Nimukumenyithio giko kia Joseph Kamode Gakaho nimurowatiri Gakaho wa Hio na Salomo Ajiko nimuthuru wa mutiri Joyce wa Gari Kamode nitho wa Festus Murige David Goge mutiri Jen Jerry Mire Muthoni Eunice wa Bui wa Germany Alice wa Jiro Esther wa Shuka James Maina na Henry Mwagi nimurowa ithana atiri Adam Degwa na Zipora Nyakiro nimuthoni wa watire Elijah Mwagi Kigotho Jugona Bernard Toro wa Bua King'ang'i Gito Francis Goge Washira na Gashiri arari na tushusho na tushokoro tuige kuracamani gwake mucii Iregi Village thaa 10 cia hwaini mirukaruto Murang'a Hospital Mortuary wakeri mweri wa 7 thaa 3 rucini mahoya na mathiko magakorwo gwake mucii Iregi Village Murang'a County. Komathayo Joseph Kamode Gakaho. Nimukumenyithio gikuo kia Eunice Joy Washeke ni uria wari muruto wa Kinari Girls High School ni mwana wa Titus Ngugi Bogwa na Matire Royce Wajiko Ngugi maceranirwo na Joseph Kamau Ngugi gacukuru katiri mwarimu Samuel Bogwa na Eunice Washeke Bogwa Ashura Village Joseph Kamau na Mary Jabi akarura ka murimo cousin wa Bogwas Washekes Nyamwiga Kevin Jabi Tabe na Gege Kwane Shura Gakidoli Village Kavete Kebo Mirukaruto PC Kikuyu Hospital Mortuary muthenya wa kere mweri wa 7 thaa 3 rucini mahoya maromerera kwa mucii Shura Gakidoli kwambiriria thaa 5 rucini kuracemanio kwa Shura Gakidoli Komathayo Eunice Joy Washeke. Nimukumenyithio gikuo gia Peter Maina Ng'ang'a kionekanire mweri 27 mweri wa 6 ni muthuru wa Alice Muthoni Maina ni ithe wa Stanley Ng'ang'a mutiri Joyce wa Geshi Michael Mwagi Patrick Thuo Samuel Mugwe na Emily Waithira muru wa nyina na Waithira atiri Thuo Waitatho na Mwagi muru muthoni wa mutiri Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Mwagi Mugwe na mutiri Feristas Jerry Mwagi Aitaga Village Maragwa kuracemania gwake mũciĩ Kariobangi North na Munyaka Hotel gũkũ Nairobi thaa 11 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Mĩrũka arutwo Kenyatta University Mortuary Thika Road mũthenya wa kerĩ mweri 5 mweri wa mũgwanja. Igongona rĩgakorwo Kajama Catholic Church thaa 5 rũcinĩ. Mathiko marũmĩrĩre mbarĩ ya Kĩo Kĩru Kajama Murang'a County. Kama thayũ Peter Maina Ng'ang'a. Nĩmũkũmenyithio gĩkuũ kĩa James wa Mbogo wa Njahi kana wa Mũcee. Nĩ mũriũ wa Tĩrĩ Zakaria wa Njahi na Hana Mũringi. Nĩ mũthuri wa Gladys wa Ngui wa Mbogo. Aceranirwo na Ngima wa Werũ Atĩrĩ Gathoni John na Kĩguta. Nĩ mũrũ wa ithe na wa Ngarĩ wa Cira Mwangi na Mwendonire Mũthoni Mũgereki. Nĩ ithe wa Hana wa Mbũi Alice Mũrĩgĩ, Grace wa Ngarĩ wa Kahora, Zakaria wa Njahi, George Ndung'u, Naftali wa Cira, Peter Nguru na John Mwangi. Mũthoniwe wa Joshua Kahora Irũngũ, former governor wa Laikipia County. Nĩ guka wa aingĩ. Mwĩrũka arutwo Mwai Kibaki Hospital Mortuary Thaya mũthenya wa kerĩ mweri 5 mweri wa mũgwanja thaa 1 rũcinĩ. Igongona rĩa mathiko rĩgakorwo kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Mahiga Primary Gakuyu. Thutha ũcio ahurũkio gwake Oboi Village hakuhĩ na Oboi Nursery School. Ũgĩkome thayũ James wa Mbogo wa Njahi. Nĩmũkũmenyithio gĩkuũ kĩa Mary Mũkami wa Nderito. Nĩ mũtumia wa Mũtĩrĩ Richard Nderito Karaba. Nĩ mũrũ wa Tĩrĩ wa Werũ na wa Cinga. Nĩ nyina wa Mũtĩrĩ wa Ngarĩ Karaba wa Werũ wa Mbũi wa Njiko Njora Kimari Gacara Nyambura wa Nyeki wa Njiro Maina na Kĩng'ori. Nyecere wa Norman Nyaga Grace Ruth Wilson Jane, Lucy, Lillian, Matidi, Martha na Winnie. Nĩ cũcũ na maitũ rĩa kerĩ wa andũ aingĩ. Aceranirwo na Kimari wa Nyeke, Ruth, Virginia, Kĩng'ori, Donye, Atigĩrĩ wa Mbogo na Kariuki. Mwarĩ wa ithe na wa Njiro wa Mbaire, Kariuki, Kafara, Atĩrĩ Mũkami, Gathoni, Nduta na Wangũi. Kũracemanio gwake Tanyai. Mwĩrũka arutwo Mary Immaculate Hospital Mũiga mũthenya wa kerĩ mweri 5 mweri wa mũgwanja thaa 2 rũcinĩ. Mahoya na mathiko magakorwo gwake Tanyai, Mũgũnda Location, Nyeri County. Kama thayũ Mary Mũkami Nderito. Nĩmũkũmenyithio gĩkuũ kĩa Rosemary wa Mbũi Mũrende. Nĩ mwana wa Tĩrĩ James Goshi na Josephine wa Irimũ. Nĩ mũtumia wa Frederick Mũrende. Maceranirwo na Jerry wa Njiro Mũthoni wa Maitha Gĩtaũ Ndegwa na Atĩrĩ Roda Kĩnuthia Kĩragũ Kamau na Judy. Nyina wa Kathi George Jimmy Soro na Mũtigĩrĩ wa Ithira. Nĩ cũcũ wa Kelvin Shiro Ng'ari Goshi Miugo Dan Mary wa Mbũi Soro Fred na Kathure wa Budo na George. Nĩ tata wa aingĩ. Nĩ gũgakorwo na igongona rĩa kĩririkano Mwanzo Estate Eldoret Jumatatũ mweri 4 mweri wa mũgwanja thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Mĩrũka arutwo Montezuma Funeral Home Kafati kena mũthenya wa kerĩ mweri 5 mweri wa mũgwanja thaa 2 cia rũcinĩ. Thutha mahoya na mathiko marũmĩrĩra mũgũnda-inĩ wake Shisho Kadra Murang'a County. Gĩthiage thayũ Rosemary wa Mbũi Mũrende. Family ya Kimari nĩ maramenyithia gĩkuũ kĩa William Wahio Kimari kĩrĩa kĩonekanire mweri 29 mweri wa gatandatũ akĩrigitĩrwo thibitarĩ ya KU Referral and Teaching Hospital. Mũtĩrĩ William Kimari ararĩ mũthuri wa Mrs. Jane Mũthoni Kimari wa Rang'ata Otiende. Nyũmba na arata maracemania ACK St. Barnabas Church Otiende kwambĩrĩria thaa 11 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nĩ tondũ wa mahoya na kũbanga mathiko marĩa mũrĩmenyithio thutha-inĩ. Tũrakwendete mũno William Wahio Kimari, kaitho tũrakwenda makĩria koma thayũ. Nimukumenyithio giko kia Naomi Wambui Njuguna kana wa John ni moro wa atiri Henry Njuguna na Rachel Waithira ni mutumia wa mutiri Hezekia Njuguna Mwaura ni nyina wa John Mwaura, Henry Githaiga na Alex Ndung'u ni moro wa nyina na Josephine Wangui Mwangi, Paul Bro Henry, Grace Wangui Gomi, mutiri Selina Wairimo, Sister Luso Wairimo na Mobirisal ni shushu wa ciana nyingi. Andu a nyumba na ratamana camania gwake muci Mugumo-ini Village, Gatunyu, Gataga Sub County, Murang'a County o muthenya ni tondu wa mahoya na kubanga mathiko maria murimenyithio thutha-ini. No utume uteithio waku kuri Edina Githaiga namba ya 0707 573195 ni undu wa bill ya thibitari. Gikome thayo, Naomi Wambui Njuguna. Nimukumenyithio giko kia John Thiaka Gaceru ni murio wa atiri Lawrence Gaceru na Ann Jabi Agakoe Githunguri ni muthiru wa Gladys Wairimo ni murio muthoni wa atiri Hezron na Miro Wambui ni ithe wa Jacqueline Jabi, Gerard na Japhis Gaceru, Winnie Wambui na John Baria. Aciranirwo na atiri Tabitha Wambui, Stephen Mugai, Joseph Muchai, Elizabeth Wangari, Miro Wanjiku, Teresia Kafia, Samuel Kimani, Miristera Jerry, Jacinta Wajeri na Mirisita Wajiro. Niguka wa Denzel, Benson, Rosemary, Isaia, Mama, Guka na Shukuru Waigi. Kurasa mani gwake muciegi Musenta Athiriva thaa 10:30 cia hwaini. Miroka Ruto Montezuma Funeral Home wakana mweri mugwanja mweri wa mugwanja thaa 1 rũcinĩ. Mitha ni kwao Gikenere Karia Village Kiambu thaa 5 rũcinĩ. Thiaga thayo, John Thiaka Gaceru. Nimukumenyithio giko kia Nancy Wambui Mugo ni mwana wa mutiri Eliud Mugo na mwendonire Jemima Jabi ni nyina wa Frank Maina, Jacqueline Nduta, Eric na Ann Mugo na Catherine Chemutai. Maceranirwo na mutiri Boro Wanjiko, mutiri Mata, mwendonire Nyabra, Muiruri, Eldang'edo, Njoroge, Mwaura na mutiri Gathogo. Family na ratamana camania PCA Unity Umoja Nairobi muthenya thaa 1 ya hwaini na kwa muciĩ Karaero Thigiti thaa 10 cia hwaini ni tondu wa kuhoya na kubanga mathiko. Ni gwakorwo na memorial service kanitha-inĩ wa PCA Unity Umoja muthenya wa Kiumia mweri 3 mweri wa mugwanja thaa 9 cia muthenya. Mwiruka Ruto PCA Kikuyu Mochari muthenya wa 2 mweri 5 mweri wa mugwanja thaa 2 rũcinĩ. Mahoya na mathiko marũmĩrĩra kwa muciĩ Karaero Thigiti kwambĩrĩria thaa 4 rũcinĩ. Nancy Wambui Mugo, ukome thayo. Nimukumenyithio ikuũ cia Samuel Kamau Karanja mutumia wake Miro Wairimo kumana na kũragwo nĩ ekinaĩ. Samuel ni mwana wa atiri Peter Karanja na Sarah Wangui. Aciranirwo na Waithira, Njuguna, Njoki, Kariuki, Mwangi, Mugure, Njeri na Mbogwa. Miri ni mwana wa atiri Bernard Kariuki na Lilian Waruga. Aciranirwo na Muthoni, Njuguna, Wanjiku, Gitau na atiri Kago, Ruguru, Njenga, Muturi na Kimoyo. Ni aciari a Karanja na Muthoni, Kariuki na Nduta, Wangui, Waruga na Leverett Komo, Njuguna na Njoki, Kago na Nyabra. Ni mama na guka wa aige. Mirika Ruto Apom Funeral Home Aprat muthenya wa 2 mweri 5 mweri wa mugwanja thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ. Mahoya na mathiko marũmĩrĩra kwa muciĩ Flyover Waikabu thaa 4 rũcinĩ. Gikome thayo, Samuel Kamau Karanja na mutumia waku Miri Wairimo.
Urumeri ni uria warikia gutarwo maundu maria gutarwo ri unyite ri ugie na hinya wa gwitiria.
He andu mariaga mutu wa ngano makagia na problem ya nda hau no uhuthire hon.
I set out on a narrow way many years ago.
Every day, over 15 million members are transforming Africa. Equity. Karibu member. Every day, over 15 million members are transforming Africa. Million members empowered to create, to harvest, to unite, to dream. Equity. Karibu member.
Imagine ukigera na freehold title deed na thikũ 45 onjorithia thĩinĩ wa Hope Gardens Juja Farm ploti cia 40/80 iria ciĩ kũndũ gũkũrĩte na njĩra nene mũno na Juja Farm Health Center ona Juja Farm Shopping Center irio hau hakuhĩ. Ningĩ no ndagĩka 20 tu kuma Thika Town. Buroti ũrenderio na thogora wa ciringi 650 na warĩha na installments nĩ ciringi 700 ũkarĩha na mĩeri 6. Kuona mũgũnda nĩ o mũthenya na nĩ free. Ũhoro makĩria andĩka kiugo plot ũtũme kũrĩ 23959 kana ũhũre thimũ 0700343434. Nestroke Developers Limited. Service you deserve. People you trust.
We asked Kenyan women to tell us what they look for in a lotion.
Warembo, ni nini muhimu kwenu mnaponunua body lotions?
Smoothness, scent, glow.
Leo tunaweka kwenye jaribio body lotion ya bei ghali na ya bei nafuu.
Ungenunua gani?
Ina transform dry skin kuwa deeply nourished na smoothen. Na fragrance nayo. Wacha tu. Why pay more? Nunua nice and lovely body lotion. Ni bora zaidi kwa bei nafuu.
It's just nicer and lovelier. Chagua Kenya's #1 body lotion.
Other insecticides are made of synthetic toxins that are extremely harmful to your body. Bolt is primarily made from natural pyrethrum, which means it's not harmful to your body and is safe to use in your home. Bolt, safe for you, deadly on doo-doos.
Mwafieko agedi aya twathieka Good Road gwa Top Gear gotinagia ona nie ne kuondorete ne tozie. Oh yes, oni gwo mugunda wa Top Gear goko ka Good Road dagika 10 tu kuma haha Joska barabara cia thĩinĩ tugatema wega kwena maĩ na zitima na ne koirige naguo thogora ri rakanyamuka we kunyitanĩte we ngoja ni gutinangia tondu tutinangitie nginyagia 595,000 only.
Tucerera Roiro Town Greek Towers kana tuhorera thimo namba nio 0708 000 999.
Top Gear ni mucio waku mwehokeku wa uigithia.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm very fine. I'm going to Shabik Ravi.
How is it over there?
We know you want to roll with the big boys. It does not take much. With 20 bob, play the Shabiki Jackpot Mbao, the easiest jackpot in Kenya. Correctly predict 13 games to win 20 million bob. Enjoy big bonuses from 10 correct predictions. Place your Shabiki Jackpot Mbao bet today. ni mbao tu. Strictly not for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by the BCLB. License number 305.
Amukira ngeithi ciakwa ritwa riakwa getwo Janet Walesedi umuthi twi mwena uyu wa Muthara kilomita 8 tu kuma haria Thika Superhighway na ningio giga mwena wa Thika Garissa rukugera hakigajo ni kilomita 5 tu tukao tunagirishije cia 40/80 nego muguda tukaweta Muthara Sunningdale toko ya bei ya shilingi 550 kana ugikenda 550,000 shillings dokariganirwo muguda uhakaini na kabe ya shifo makiria mugobe hakwina shukuru ta Muthara Primary makanitha na mathibitari makire all the nyuru kuona muguda na muno ni amutukoragwo na free site visits o muthenya kuma Monday nginya Saturday na guthine ithi muno ni mundu afata gwika no gutuma tu SMS ya kigo Muthara utume kuri 23934 ririkana ni SMS ya kigo Muthara utume kuri 23934 Lesedi Developers Limited, securing your future.
We're all doing life for the first time. No one has prior experience. It is okay not to be okay. Failure is part of the journey. Don't worry if you don't have it figured out. Fall, but don't stay down. Rise up, dust yourself and continue with the journey.
Dial *811 *401# to get Rise Up.
Nishesheni ya Inoro TV.
While other cleaners flow away, Harpic 10XS viscous formula in only one round of application gives you sparkling, clean toilet.
Harpic, 10 times better cleaning than other cleaning products.
And great savings too.
I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. I'm not ashamed of the
and left you one. I will love you when the pot is empty. I will love you when you're not so strong. I will love you even if you can't see right from wrong. Even though you broke my heart and I lay here in the dark,
dream. You never mean no trouble. You never do no harm. Taking it cool and calm. And the soul we are one. One. Excuse me, pretty lady. Nice to meet you, my name is Jimmy Ray. Ever since you moved right around my way, my eyes been blessed by your beauty, girl. And I just wanna know, do you have a man? Shouting for you and I have plans. Here's my number, let me know if you're interested. There's a girl in my neighborhood. Everybody wants her and I want her too. But I too much so I'm too much watch it. I'm trying to get to her but everybody's watching. There's a girl in my neighborhood. Everybody wants her but me want her too. But I too much so I'm too much watch it. I'm trying to get to her but everybody's watching.
How many times I told you I love you, and now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Now you're gone. Do you remember that first night we met? That was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, whatever. And you came walking through the pale moonlight. Pale moonlight. Do what you want to.
Let's recall some great men who's been fighting for our rights. Let's recall some great men who's been fighting for our rights. Let's recall some great men who's been fighting for our rights. Recall Bob Marley, who's been fighting for our rights. Recall Rodney Price, he's been fighting for our rights. Recall recall Culture Joseph Phil, recall
You don't have to dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlocks thing, divine conception of the heart. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlocks thing,
divine conception of the heart. Oh, it's a life of a liberty, lived by the fathers of our history. Uphold the anciency and prophecy, trust in the power of the Trinity. Yeah. Got to believe in His majesty, oh yes, His lineage and divinity. The first step is sovereignty, knowing oneself to royalty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. No, this is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart. Well, Rasta. You don't have to dread to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart.
Camp where the thugs them camp at 2 pound a weed in a van back. It in a your handbag, your knapsack, it in a your backpack. The smell of your girlfriend contact. Some boy not know this. Them only come around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas, bedtime stories, and pose like them named Chuck Norris. And don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals are no back to. The thugs them we do where them got to. And won't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot you unless you carry guns a lot too. A beer tough thing come at you when Trenchtown man stop laugh and block off traffic. Then them will pop off and them start tapping. We dip in file long and it a beat traffic. Police for me not cheap and them start stopping.
We're only strangers in the night, getting to know each other. The mood was right, strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And while the entertainer's singing his song, I hold a feeling oh so strong. Never thought love would look me in the eyes. I lift my head and what a big surprise. But then the people around tried to take her love from me. Now, they don't seem to realize that this love was meant to be.
Yeah. No, I've never been someone shy until I see your eyes. Still I had to try. Yeah. Oh yes. Let me get my words right and then approach you. Woman, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry. No. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind. No, you are my African. The way she moves, you are okay. She has the wild.
Yes, I take it.
Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday, you came around my way. Take my breath away with your astonishing beauty. Ooh, you could have make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. Ooh, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the stars. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I've ever been, yeah. You make my heart go sing-a-ling-a-ling. You are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You remind me of a thing, and the dance is the African beauty.
Hallelujah. Skanking, grooving, hit me, Jaja. Yeah, skanking, grooving, under pressure. Yeah, skanking, grooving. Under the pressures of a life and it tough. Now stay down, mama, time pick it up. Now bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibe. I pick it up when the bills, them, the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah, yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah, like a split turn up the music. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and rock with me. You don't feel a reggae music.
Ati?
Skanking squee.
Pitajo, unaangushanga wasali. Nini mbaya?
Sini skanking squeeze.
Wewe ni mras kwanza. Unajua sasa? Vile politricks zinaenda sasa lazima tujue tuko na kina nani kwa hii nini.
Ni demo ras.
Kwa hiyo nyoka.
Nyoka ke?
Kwa hiyo
Wajara.
Fisi zinaitwaje? Kwa hiyo nyama ile si aviti. Nitaweka ate.
Do. Dutevani oro.
Yoko roni nati niliona nati by the way. Ajoangi kushuga coat vitu. Yari kana last time. On national television. Aya, you do that thing my brother. Anyway, tafadhali ni awe rekererie. Genda gukunyitoge ni muno we urero that session ya Inoro TV. Tagwa boy wa garo ya kana wedo kaji tano the gang empress na kama dawa. We are here one more time kujiachilia Kiwaras. I hope uko ready. Siko peke yangu kama kawaida, niko na makaptain wangu wa power watatu. Najua kwa hapa hivi. Salimieni Waras.
Tunaenda hivyo.
Hivyo.
Ne kuiva. Atugeithie na atuega story. Niguo nani ngeithanie na tijima geithanie.
Niweka wega. Na niĩ njitagwo DJ Quiver na tondu pitania ni request ndimuhe njungwa very fast. Nima. Haya, ungikuruka na kuria kianda fiu. Na kuria kianda wathi. Uhetuke Australia. Uthie na ku kianda fiu iria-ini gatagati. Kwina islands cietagwo Fiji. Hari na tribe imwe ikoragwo haria Fiji. Tribe ni muhiriga kana etagwo atia? Yes, hena muhiriga umwe ukoragwo haria Fiji. Culture-ini yao hari na kiria mendete gwika tumaundu mendete gwika ta hari na nyamu itagwo the firewalk mekiraga mahiga utuku mathaa 10 handu mwaki-ini magacoka kiroko tene muno magathie makagira iguru ria mwaki kana iguru ria mahiga macio mahiu ikoragwo iri rite of passage koguo ni mekaga uguo o mwaka ni undu wa go test mojo
uongo bana
serious
uongo
we hiyo ni uongo
kireria andu aya nao ri
uongo bana
bado umenye tondu maikaraga kuria iria-ini ri they are very good swimmermen
uongo ayo ni uongo bana
kireria ni andu moe gutubira muno na ni moe kuruga ni undu waguo mathiaga iguru ria mwaki ri maguru mao makoragwo mari very fast na ni makona hinya haya trust you me Fiji they are the best kana makoragwo mari among the best andu aria mathakaga rugby players in the world. Watch out for Fiji. Kwina World Cup ya rugby ro kanema ukayo karora andu acio ti undu wa uguo makoragwo mathiite iguru ria mwaki maguru mao ni ma adaptite koguo akorwo ni mubira hari na penalty guthagwo ya rugby akorwo ni umiui kaguthagwo gagathio ku akorwo ni gutengera na mubira na kuruga o ria maswimaga kuria ma adaptite uguo niguo mathiaga metagwo serious ni urore story yo haria mwena wa Google no woka oni correct
iyo si uongo no
urakiuga ni uongo na nduku
wewe kwa hivyo wiki yako inakuanga busy
ever
research na nini
research mimi napenda kusoma sana
ulifika
muthe wakwa njirire we guthoma nginya ukore handu handikitwo gibao no education ahead
no further education
na tondu hatikikoragwo ri mundu ni athome
read and study and learn DJ Quiver
pitachukulia juma wewe ujui huko unajua sema
yes marwa mia nani kwa marito mamia jitakopita kana mirako bebe nani aigo kogo kawera karia ni to karago to korera nyemba cia cia raga reading no mogoro kimothe makori go bururi-ini wa Jamaica na maju taka kiana kinene kana big baby na goko gwitu Kenya macokete kunjita upcoming kabda ni kunora ndira nora nani ndiruruma tondu kururuma ndatigeire wa ithaka wa Jeni andani no horo
Nati.
Yes, na nienge hope ni ukoretwo na wiki njega na hope sato yako iko fiti na hope hiyo set ya reggae hapo imekubamba sana. Jetagwo na T-Gym, niene nigoragwo ndi hype MC wa show ya wirekererie. Yes man, twire kuri uri, twire mundu uria mwenake, agikorwo hena rwimbo rwa reggae kana dance hall urenda tuguthakire, tuchapie hapa hivi. No okugaga atia?
Gugaga atiriri. Hebu niambieni, nimeona kapo juzi imefight ati dem ameenda kutembelea chali yake kama ajam show. Si ati alimpata na dem. But fight ilikuwa mbona unakuja kama hujanishow?
Na mbona anaenda kama
hujanishow?
Chali yangu.
Na akimpata
Chali yangu nafaa kumwambia nikienda kwake.
Si ndio?
Na akimpata akichange.
Ni nini anachangingi?
Ujai nini?
Nako redro ya terere. Nafaa ku announce nikienda kwa chali yangu, nafaa nimwambie babe nakuja kesho.
Unajua nyinyi madem mnasemaga ati communication is the key to a relationship. No lile wewe unataka ku communicate neki.
It does not apply there. Not Jimmy or communication I apply
hapa. It cuts across.
Quiver.
Yes.
Nafaa kukuambia weka chali yangu nikikuja kwako.
Yeah, of course.
Guy, kwa nini?
Yako ndĩrenda gũthiĩ handũ. Kana nĩ thire handũ.
Si unaniachia ki mahali?
Unaona nikiofatia kujira. Nigetha ngwĩrĩre shafi harĩa njigire.
Nafaa actually nikuwe na ki yako. Ndio nikuje anytime.
Dena deal denayo nengeretwo mafia maihũire bafu.
Mimi ni dem yako unafaa kuniambia
dem yangu soke ukekweihura selfie na.
Mbona
ukekweihura selfie na sio sifuatwo.
Direct ya mthenya mothe nirere. Are you supposed to go visit your partner unannounced? I don't see any. Sifai kuambia chali yangu naenda kwake. Na pia yeye hafai kuniambia na kam kwangu, anafaa kukam anytime. Sini wangu na mimi ni wake ala.
Nikikupata ukitingiza mti.
Ekora mwana wa Facebook atuwerekererie Inooro TV Twitter na Instagram ni atuwerekererie. Hebu ni show mtu anafaa kwenda kutembelea chali yake ama demu yake kama hajamshow. Ni nini hiyo mnaogopa? Anyway, ati nini? Nafanya dea jagio kutoka na slogan that give thanks to Jah, never give up and never forget to spread peace, love and harmony. Shasha Mali. Boom.
I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. Before the Jews, I will preach. Before the Gentiles, I will preach. Before the Pharisees, I will preach. Before the Sadducees, I will preach. So I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. So I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah, yeah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. Oh, mama, hey. Oh, mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying. Salvation is on your doorstep. For Jah so loved this world now, He gave His only.
Mimi naona venye dunia inaenda, wacha kila mtu ajikalishe by the way. Mbona niseme nikikuja kwako? Hebu imagine maybe nimepatwa na emergency, maybe simu imepotea na hujajua simu yangu imepotea. Nafaa kudu nikifika shopping center yako niombe simu niseme na kama.
Nafaa kukuwa na namba yangu kwa kichwa. Kitu ya kwanza. Ukuwe na namba yangu kwa kichwa. Then emergency igihane kari uombe simu unipigie.
Okay. Ni nini mnaogopa naweza pata mkifanya? Ni nini hiyo ukiwa peke yako unafanyanga yenye sijaiona ukifanya?
Unaweza pata nikichange.
Ni nini sijaiona ukifanya pita weka chali yangu? Ama relationship za siku hizi watu wana meet wanaona movie wanazindikishana wanaenda huko.
Shida sio hiyo.
Thank you.
Kuroka kwao.
Kwa chali yangu.
Si ni kwangu. Hapana mimi ni chali yako lakini ni kwangu. So, kuna pia hiyo boundary. Wewe bado sijakuoa ati uko hapo.
Si kwetu.
Yes, sio kwetu.
Yeah.
So ni kwangu.
Okay.
So niambie kwanza.
Nafaa kuingia kwa kitanda yako?
Yeah, kitanda. Nikikupea permission.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Dakwira you can now enter. Now it's time to enter.
Access. Okay, nafaa kulala kwako?
Kuambia.
Na kama nalalanga kwako na si mara ya kwanza, mara ya pili, mara ya tatu, hiyo ni kaa home.
Hapana. Wewe.
Enda children.
Wazazi wangu wanajua niko kwa pita. Kwa Quiver, kwa Nati, kwa Bandit.
Kama mzazi anajua uko kwangu, mbona mimi nisijue unakuja kwangu?
Bas, thank you. Alafu siku hizi
Okay, so
unaweza kuwa wewe wazazi wako wanajua uko kwa Quiver, wanajua uko kwa Pitana, wanajua uko kwa
wanajua niko places
3. Unajua?
Okay, sasa Pita, wewe unaweza enda kwa dem yako kwa ujamsho.
Kufa nyobo tariaga.
Assuming ni wewe unalipanga.
Kama ni mimi nalipanga na si mimi na nunuanga vitu zenye anakula.
Huwezi ingia nyumba unalipanga?
Siwezi, na mimi siwezi lipa. Nyumba si
uishingi ulalangi, uishingi.
Yeah.
Kwa hivyo unaweza enda kwa dem yako kwa ujamsho?
Siwezi. Nipatane na heartbreak.
What happened? I don't get it. Na unaweza enda?
Kama sijamwambia? Siwezi enda kama sijamwambia.
Mutugo, respect, mutugo wazi.
It's not about respect. Kuna
hapa ni mtugo.
Kuna kitu mnaogopa yenye amsemi ni nini? Au ndio unaelewa? Hebu tuambie ni nini inaweza kuwa hao watatu wanaogopa? Cause mimi ni ile tu respect that nikwambie. But I can come anytime. I can visit anytime.
You cannot.
Yes.
I can visit Karen Italiango, I can visit you anytime, any day, any time of the night, irregardless.
Lakini unieke na rada.
Rada gani? Rada ni mimi kuapia. Ni nini?
Wewe uko ready kugongwa na butwa? Wewe uko ready? Ka uko ready kuja?
Butwa gani mnaongelea?
Ni kusema tu.
You never know. Unajua nikikupata the better, juu unajua mahali umenieka. So the earlier the better.
Kama uko sawa kuja.
Mimi manzea guys. Sasa tuna date kina nani? Bethe kafa tu ka sister. Kafa wetu ikira sister. Data tuthie by the way, in the meantime, acha niwaambie Bandit is in the building, the most wanted dancehall artist in the whole of the world. Sawa. So mko mboge karata falira ine ya werekere atakuwa akitujoin hapa in a few. Meantime, acha tukimbie kwa new releases. Nyeboria sikoleto sikirekererio kuma muthenya wa Sunday until tonight. Kwena UB40 Ali Campbell na Astro the Late mena rwimbo tago unprecedented kizungu nayo. Touch Ena All Alone, Luciano akona No Power in the Gun. Queen Africa akona I Am No Rush. Mena mudu guto I Am No Rush mena Serendipity. Manzi wa Jamaica wa chini bana. Kizungu mingi wa Jakoya ni nini? Abia Israel in Paradise, Sample King mena mudu guto King Yellow Man mena Sweet Jamaica, Maxi Priest mena Shori. Maleku ena rwebo rwetago Maleku Son of Vishwana na Ed Sheeran mena rwebo rwetago Brexit. Mickey General Don't Trust Them, Gappy Ranks Did It Again na Omikowan mena rwebo rwetago Kingston Traffic. Na in case usikie Quiver ameongezea tracks zingine part of the new releases playing for the first time in our TV.
Yeah, man.
Like this has ever happened before.
Second segment, these are the new releases. UB40 now. The number one reggae dancehall show in Aura TV. There's the DJ. Some more and more, man. Hey. Yeah, man, remember Peter's up on Facebook, Instagram, and all the social media platforms. So high. Shorty's gotta know she's got it going on. Yeah. Gucci frames on her eyes. While I just coming up a ball. Nimo and Shiro. New releases, reggae and dancehall. Select a man.
Stand up and fight back like a soldier.
Yeah, man.
Distract your vision with them skyscrapers.
It's 2 hours of nothing but the best.
I want you.
Yo! sweet sounds of Abia Israel. Check them one day.
This morning to a strange breeze, blood running on the streets of my side. Oh yeah, I woke up this morning with a dreadful feeling. Coming nigga, we got to
Sweet,
stop
sweet reggae vibes.
the killings.
Hey, hey.
We are tiny grown children, a people connected through our blood. Let's learn to love each other. Let's learn to respect life.
Mr. DJ.
It's not a solution and violence we can society.
Another one. Sound a big tune. Yeah, man, it's all about pure niceness. Tell us where you're watching us from. Big up all who are streaming live on Facebook. Yeah. Jose Catel. Jam Messenger Luciano. Hey. Some pure positive vibes right now. Pick up all the reggae lovers or the dancehall lovers. Yeah. Some more. Yeah.
Never afraid.
Yeah, man, on our social media platforms, let us know what you. Yeah, man, on our social media platforms, let us know what you think. Or which is the baddest thing from the new release set. Yeah, yeah. Who are you? Yeah, man, whenever you're watching us from, big up on your chest. Yeah, them time.
Now this is a message to all the youths them. Now we go Babylon and recruit them.
Dance on.
Luciano, messenger,
Jam Messenger in a dance on silent. Oh, you mean, man? What you now say? Hey. It's Ed Sheeran, brace it up. Mikoda. Whoa, whoa. Mad vibes, man.
Race it on me. Say it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Race it
on
me. My girl run with the money if you no want you. You want no bikini.
Or the dancehall lovers.
Your body no own you. Serendipity.
Where? Mogoroki.
You want to live your own life, girl. Not dead, left yourself in a no one world. Let go the bird, now fly, girl.
Pasuwa msamba Buddha.
If I win, if I do, open it, left the pain and miss it. Take a massage, and money, you're a ready start. Come for yourself, you love your own company. Free up yourself, your man, up to make you cool. A ball and a suffer, cause you're too low. Wait a minute, that's a you need a quarrel. It's a few wait for, me have this up if you.
Hey! Ciao! Yeah, man, new releases. Soca dancehall right now. Soca dancehall. Let's get carnival. Everybody.
Oh, she did it
it again. Yeah, she did it again.
Copyright.
Unexplainable when it happened. Only loving she come to defend. Nothing lesser than 10 out of 10. She say every cocker need a hen. Yeah.
Soca dancer right now. Popo.
We are not here to take people's husbands. We are just here to make you guys comfortable, good, happy.
If you don't want your husband to come here, wash his feet when he comes home, give him a massage when he comes home, and look pretty. Otherwise, he'll come here and we'll serve him, we'll pamper him, we'll groom him up.
To watch this story and more, download the Citizen Digital app today.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Muthenya munene wa ithurano no urakuhiriria.
Tayari sisi wote tumeungana.
Ahuraniri iturwa riu ni maikarire njongwa cia gwetha kura na ihinda riu ni ikinyu ria kuhura kampeni. O muthenya wa Juma, Citizen TV, Inoro TV na Ramogi TV ni turi kurehagira The Campaign Trail na jukwaa la kampeni, tukirehe ateti kuri andu na andu kuri ateti. O muthenya wa Juma, jukwaa la kampeni iliukaga thinacera cia hwaini thiini wa Citizen TV.
Tunataka kiongozi
ajaribu kutupunguzia ushuru
na kwambiriria thaa 1:30 cia hwaini. Citizen TV na radio ya Citizen igakurehera utepeni, baratha cia kwariria ateti imwe kwa imwe. O muthenya wa Kiumia, jukwaa la kampeni iliambagia thinacera cia hwaini thiini wa Citizen TV, tugacoka tugagutwara imwe kwa imwe matura-ini thiini wa Citizen Debate 2022 kwambiriria thaa 1:30 cia hwaini nginya thaa 3 cia utuku thiini wa Citizen TV.
Tukiona mawira kono mikiriega wajiko ni muhinyiririe
thiini wa Inoro TV, tuhure kibiriti twakie mwaki thiini wa kiririmbi imwe kwa imwe matura-ini kwambiriria thinacera cia hwaini nginya thaa 3 cia utuku. Ramogi TV nayo ikarikiria Naratil 2022 kwambiriria thaa 1:30 cia hwaini. Kamuira Citizen TV ihinge hwaini na The State of the Race o Kiumia thaa 3 cia utuku. Ni umemerekia wa mwanya wa gutamburukia uteti thiini wa Inoro TV, Ramogi TV, Citizen TV na View Sasa, tondu mugambo wothe ni wa bata na kura o yothe ni bataranitie.
Ugali mix mama.
Sawa sawa.
We mama boy, angalia tu vile kwangu kumekauka. Siri yako ni nini? Utamu wa chakula ni unga wa 210. Ate unga ya 210. Hii nayo ni gani? Hiyo ni ya chapati. Hii nayo hapa ya ugali. Na sasa hii nitanunua wapi? Inapatikana huko duka zote humu nchini. Haya, naenda kununua saa hii. Asante sana mama boy. Na ugani unigaiage customer saa ingine hata wewe. Nunua unga wa 210 watakuja hapo.
Your family's choice for maize meal and home baking flour. Unga wa 210.
Don't you wanna stay here a little while? Don't you wanna hold each other tight? Don't you wanna fall asleep with me tonight? Forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather.
Hihi guku ni mugiaga na indo ingi mukuragia tofauti otigania na ici tu
otiga mimera ino ya kimerera no turaitha nginya mimera ya nginya China teno nyitete haha etagwo pak choy ni mboga ya kuria mahuti no ni ya China kwina nyanya guku kwina kabici kwina nginya ile iretwo matumbo irera yukite na teknolojia no njeru.
Mundu wothe witikitie Jehova ni atuagwo muthingu.
Ngai ni afuataga kiugo giake agakihingia agagikinyaniria.
Rugama wetie hinya kuma iguru ira Ngai akuhutia hoya muno garuke.
Thabatu ino ya tariki 3/7 mwaka uyu ni tunyitanire na kibindi kia Rurumuka turathimithie mweri uyu mweru.
Jehova Ngai wa Israeli aromukura arohingura maitho arorachuria maitho ma mituri yanyu.
Kwambiriria thaa 1 nginya thaa 2 cia rucini nyitanira na Reverend Esther Kafiro kuma kanitha wa Emmanuel Favored Ministries Kamuru, nake Bishop Peter Gatimo kuma kanitha wa Apostolic Faith Church Bahati atuhe kiugo kuma thaa 3 nginya thaa 4, nake Bishop Michael Waderi kuma kanitha wa CFF Kiambu atuhe kirigiriro kwambiriria thaa 5 nginya thaa 6 cia miaraho. Ndukahitukwo ni tabarĩra ici cia mwanya thĩinĩ wa Inoro TV.
Amukira ngeithi ciakwa ritwa riakwa getwo Janet Walesedi. Umuthi twi mwena uyu wa Muthara kilomita 8 tu kuma haria Thika Super Highway na nigio nginya mwena uyu wa Thika Garissa rukugera ha Kiganjo ni kilomita 5 tu. Tukao tunagiri cia 40/80 nago mugunda tukawita Muthara Sunningdale. Toko ya bei ya shilingi 550 kana ugikenda 550,000 shillings. Ndokariganirwo mugunda uhakaine na kabe ya shifo makiria mogwo we hakuina shukuru ta Muthara Primary makanitha na mathibitari makire o githonyi yuru. Kuona mugunda na thimuno ni amutukoragwo na free site visits o muthenya kuma Monday nginya Saturday na guthine thimuno ni amundu afata gwika no gutuma tu SMS ya kiugo Muthara utume kuri 23934. Ririkana ni SMS ya kiugo Muthara utume kuri 23934. Lesedi Developers Limited, securing your future.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm very fine. I'm going to Shabikrar.
How is it over there?
We know you want to roll with the big boys. It does not take much. With 20 bob, play the Shabiki Jackpot Mbao, the easiest jackpot in Kenya. Correctly predict 13 games to win 20 million bob. Enjoy big bonuses from 10 correct predictions. Place your Shabiki Jackpot Mbao bet today. Ni Mbao tu.
Strictly meant for persons under the age of 18. Betting can be addictive. Play responsibly. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by the BCLB. License number 305.
Oh yes! Ta imagine waruta girigana ne mwetu gwa Top Care ugetekerio gwaka hau icio inge tokarekanera. Top Care twena mugunda mweru nyua kuria Joska ndagika 12 kuma Kagudo Road. Ni kondo kuirige wega maene 4 na neighbors makinyire tene. Naguo thogora gwa Top Care tugaga ne gutinangia. Tondu tutinangetie ginyagia 595,000 only. Kauhora makiria tucerere Royal Town Greek Towers kana tuhorere thimo number 0708 000-999.
Jitagwo Jimmy Bisa na ruo rwimbo rwitagwo kaba kumatia ndogo na mukombi. Na riu uhoro mwega ni ati ukienda rwimbo ruru rutuike ta rugambi thimu-ini yaku ni undu muhuthu ukoya thimu yaku uhinye *811*277#. Ngai akurathime. Inoro ni mucii wa asante.
I'm not ashamed of gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. I'm not ashamed of gospel.
I am waiting for your love. Missing faces in my room. I am waiting for your love. Lying looking at the moon. Emotional, devotional. Give me the greatest love, something there is in heaven. Sometimes I just can't hide. Why can't we live together now? I am waiting for your love. We are playing safe. delicate. I am waiting for your love.
It's so silly, girl.
Mr. Delicate.
It's a hot girl season, and we're not in no permission. Said it's a hot girl season. Hey, Lucy, come and sing it from the top. It's a hot girl season, and we not need no permission. Said it's a hot girl season. Oh, make it come and sing it once again. We can't stop. Tell the DJ turn it up to the one drop. Usiku mpaka che, yeah, we party non-stop. Light it up, keep the temperature hot, hot, hot. And when we step into the place, yeah, you know we look stunning. Whatever's in the cup, you just gotta keep it coming. It doesn't matter, it may talk up and they can it. Till the DJ turn it up to make we just party. It's a hot girl season, and we're not in no permission. Said it's a hot girl season. Hey, Lucy, come and sing it from the top. It's a hot girl season, and we not need no permission.
It's alright, sometimes we kiss, sometimes we fight. But one thing is for sure, we're gonna make up tonight. Girl, your loving must be magic, magic. And for you, girl, I'm an addict, addict. So loving you is automatic, addict. And without you, life would be tragic.
Monday and Tuesday we can't link up. Wednesday and Thursday we have to work so. Friday are my day, nice this fuck. Can't wait to cuddle up, so baby hurry up and come my weekend love, yeah, yeah. When we make love all night, all day. Weekend love, yeah, yeah. When we make love. Me little on the country, me know me did I go far. Enough people look and never see nothing but me see a star. See me name in bright lights and face in cinemas. Them used to say my chest high, but look at me now, look at me now. In full control. Before in a push start, press gas go. Designer clothes and shoes like wow. And I hype me just to show you how me grow. Remember my country, when I did a climb tree. I forgot river come up on the garbage. All the time I come a town, I must up on a church tree. Pick up all the dance for lovers. Family's me. If you know what for me, then I'm sorry. God bless me. I'm a block and delete the I want to do that, man. Right now, man.
Dance on a Saturday night in our TV. Pick up everybody who is locked right now. DJ Quiver, the state trooper, pan control. Hey! Baby and Junior and Gong Marley. Tell them again.
Having a good time, baby. I was born uptown, now the ghetto dream, now ain't life crazy. Daddy made
yeah, man, living off the best life, you know.
Out of the ghetto.
Junior Gong and his son. These are the Marleys.
We're living it up.
Yeah, man, big up to all the ghetto people. Yeah, man, your mom talk ghetto now on a Germany. Yeah, man, if you don't say you can make it.
Growing up to be somebody. I'm the zilly, I'm a flow phenomenally. I am the kind of thing that doesn't happen normally. I'm a one in a zillion. Yo, doggy, if you want some good life finally, perhaps change your nighttime hobby. Come out of the old crime lobby and benefit from your wisdom. Me a go and live it up, life is better than great. Every other day me boss a dozen dub plate. Put in our hustle, we no sit down and wait. Tough up on no muscle, now it's never too late.
Vibes on a Saturday night. It's all about niceness. Sweet, sweet dance and vibes. DJ come on. Bagaroki.
Sasa kurenda ngai tafarira ni awerekereria. Thank you so much. Niko ogetune kumarira tafarira yajirie, and I hope you're having a good time kama sisi hapa hivi. DJ Quiver Pondi Mix anafanya ile kitu, and as I told you, Bandit ako in the building. Manze, ushaielewa uchali because mimi leo nataka ni understand to the fullest.
Yes.
Ni swali moja gani unaonanga bandit unataka kumuuliza lakini unalenga haidhuru?
Ni nini na inspire afanye dance?
Uko sure wewe?
Yes. Dancehall.
Lakini bandit anakaa tu dancehall. Anakaa tu dancehall.
Anakaa tu hivyo bandit.
Ni nini? Twende hapo kwa bandit.
Yes.
Ukiangalia bandit TV
yes,
from
yes,
head to toe.
Yes.
Anakuanga na head?
Yes.
It's covered.
It's covered.
He's gonna be here.
Alafu,
utaona?
Funny thing, jina yake ni bandit. But anaka kama bandit. You know?
Yes. I guess I'll draw inspiration from there.
Yeah.
But atakuwa na to join. I like the style. Mimi napenda watu unique. It helps manze a lot. I like style ya bandit. Atakuwa na kama hapo hivi kutuambia kinaga ubaga. Ana kama style tu prepare.
Utamuuliza yeye na Wajakoya wako na uhusiano.
Lakini kuiva si uko na mic. Unajua yeye na Nati, lakini unajua bandit ajifungangi ile durag ile akina Wajakoya na Chichi brother na Nati Jim hawajifungi durag. Yeye anavaa hizo vitu na izaitwa Arafat. He's a bandit.
Na mask.
He's covered.
Hood.
He's the most wanted.
Of course.
All right, so sijui tukua tukimintroduce hii. Cheza ngoma zake as he comes to the stage. Kuna simu?
Right.
Pita unaniongelesha na niko set na staki hiyo story. Haya, kwa hivyo tuingie pondi.
Another one from the herbalist. Man a bandit again. Listen.
Hey, come on, yeah. My baby, una take it low. My sherry, ona sasa mina kweki yo. Kwani mami wani handa, umenishikisha moto sana. Kwani mami wani handa, umeniwakisha moto mama. Nimeingia fresh, ona designer, vitu origi mia pana China. Check it look, simami nimengara. Domana mina kuhanda. Papi, mimi ndo bedroom bully. Nenda besi yako nimuonyeshe vumbi. So kama uweze kuzitoka, jaribu ziwe toba. Okay, na move your body. Katika nami usiulize ni nani. Ni papi mami leo, ni ma style. I hope you don't mind. My baby, una take it low. My sherry, ona sasa mina kweki yo. Kwani mami wani handa, umenishikisha moto sana. Kwani mami wani handa, umeniwakisha moto mama. Mafisi, boss ndio mimi. Nimefika kwani iko nini? Kuzorora tu kihayena. Na vile unasheki unaweza. Come madam nikusho. Eti nasikia unapenda dombolo. Kidiamond situcheze ngololo. Ikikubamba piga nduru. Nasikuli kwa macho. Nyama kwa moto. Nasikuli kwa macho. Asa kama ni moto. Baby, una vile una take it low. My sherry, ona sasa mina kweki yo. Kwani mami wani handa, umenishikisha moto sana. Kwani mami wani handa, umeniwakisha moto mama. Kwani mami wani handa.
Mana bandit again.
Washa kindukul. Hey, Urwaja. Hey, Waja. Hey, Waja. Washa kindukul. Hey, we have to tell him again. Urwaja Koya get a youth president. Another him a bless him a man a gun pass. And better than the in a the contest. Nakope tunawenda tunaweka kwenye house. I had to never deal to my motivation. The ends of me tell you money to the nation. Economy nataka to resuscitation. Karmanda tumechoka na ma inflation. Jakoya mana wola. You legalize thing mana wola. Stand for the youth mana wola. Tell the China mana kwende mana wola. Waja Koya. Kulu. Waja Koya. Washa kindukul.
professor watati wengine ni mambo ya kuna degree uliza hata Oprah uwezi win free tunigolez mashada tulipe deni manifesto iko fiti manifesto so good IDC we attend you tuko rada I know mupende msipende tunashinda kuti we the baddest we the illest we the toughest wajakoya we do give him your vote wajakoya weka hapo casting Brivana bandit wajakoya we tell you rada iko safi rada iko so clean them jakoya mana Holland you legalize thing mana Holland you stand for the youth mana Holland we go so mana kwende mana Holland
Brivana mana bandit again. You don't know. Bandit from the yard. We are kill them tune. Vida mise. Salimia watu.
Ati classroom in theater. Sexy girl them wanna wine for the teacher. Me say dance all injection. Picky and on the floor and a bubble. Me say who the teacher now? Who the teacher now?
Wild boss.
Who the teacher now? Who the teacher now?
Wild boss.
Yeah man. Vida me say that.
How ya tell man? Release Katiel. Mrimana bandit am the Kenyan Katiel. Give us the vibes. Give us Katiel. Hey, how ya tell them again? Release Katiel. Mrimana bandit am the Kenyan Katiel. How ya tell them? Release Katiel. Give us Katiel. Give us Katiel. You don't know. Man a bandit from the yard. Nons. Bonga na mimi.
Manze bandit tumenitishia manze kungekuwa na mlango hapa ningekuwa nishaishia. I didn't see you coming bana.
I'm the bandit.
Unafaa tulisema ukikuja unapiga simu.
I'm the bandit.
Much shout out to you manze Vida Mise and Bandit. Karibuni sana show yetu. Sasa mimi hata sijui ndaanzia hapa. I think this is the baddest show tumekuwa nayo hii mwezi.
You sure?
Hii mwaka.
You sure?
Tumekuwa tuna a little tuseme ka concert ka fireball hivi kamekuwa lit juu yenu. Asanteni sana Bandit. Acha nianze na hii hype yote. Hii hype yote, do you think tukakutoa hiyo cover uko nayo kwa uso unaweza kuwa na hiyo hype?
Are you ready for me?
I'm ready for you anytime.
No, are you ready for me? Ready for me? Are you ready for me? Ready for me? No, are you ready for me? Bandit! You're not ready.
Oh my goodness, where have you been Bandit? Manze karibu sana kwa show. Let's talk about venye ulianza muziki manze. Mimi nataka kujulia ulikuwa hivi ama kuna kitu ulikuja inspiration ikakuchange or something?
Man, a bandit does not draw inspiration from anybody. Man, a bandit draws inspiration from him.
Yeah.
Only a bandit. Only one bandit. Kenyan bandit. World bandit. You don't know. You know the bandit?
Bandit! Yeah. So, manze, tuambie, umekuwa for how long in the game?
Mim?
Yeah.
Hey, manze, nimekuwa game for a long time. Miracle Baby, do you know? Nilikuwa game for a long time. Niliacha mziki. But mbona kitu Miracle Baby. Mbogi Genje. Wale dilaf chalo nafanya. Avida mise. Nikasema sasa round hii
ni kuchafua.
Ni time sasa turudi. Tufanye hii kitu.
Walai.
Yeah.
All right, so Bandit, before utake your break ulikuwa nayo, was the name still the same? Jina lako ilikuwa bado Bandit, you know.
Chorea hiyo story.
Mimi naonanikana kujua.
Nyaga hapo chini.
Mbona mimi nakujua?
Wana Bandit no answer them question.
Mbona nikalia Kevo Youth?
Chora kitu. Mimi nafanya gospel.
Wewe.
Hata nikianza kufanya gospel. Kevo Youth atenda daro.
Okay bana, Bandit, tuchore hiyo story. Vida Mise. Right to you. Mziki ulianza lini?
Holland mimi. Mimi ni youngster. Mimi nianza bado nikiwa high school form 2. Yeah, na site ko hapa.
Nice one.
Bado tunapiga tu muziki tu.
Link yako na Bandit mlipataje? Mlimit wapi? Vibe ile wapi?
Unaona dia nacheka.
Hii ni story funny. Hii siku ilikuwa juu ya Mlinio. Mlimit kwa awkward situations,
Sisi manze tumetoka mbali sana by the way, wacha niko na serious note. Tumetoka far sana na bro wangu hapa Bandit. Mimi bado nilikuwa chuo man. Na sasa tuko hapa na sasa we are ready to take over the dancehall scene, unajua? Back then ndo tulikuwa tuna learn game, but sasa tushaijua. Sasa ni take over. Holland.
Tumefanya ngoma juzi na legend yupo.
Ati sini wale wabaya. Yaman. Sini wale wabaya. Yaman, big up Lyrical Rico man.
If you don't know Lyrical Rico, remind yourself. Abambika.
Na ingoma noma.
Sababu na hivyo ndio si uwakilisha
Inoro TV to the fullest.
Alright, so Bandit kuna ngoma ya Wajakoya. DJ alikuwa anajifanya ana mic. Alikuwa ananiambia nikuulize hii ngoma ya Wajakoya. Kunaenda aje?
Ruwajako. Setiki. You know, Mali tumefika Kenya. I respect all the other politicians who've been there. Now it's free. We have democracy. We are free to say whatever we want to say. You get? Si kitambo lazima useme ile jina ingine. Sasa unaweza sema Wajakoya. Na si lazima tuende route ingine ama route ingine. Unanipata? Wajakoya ni bamba, ni kidunda na dunda na yeye.
Mbaya.
Hivyo.
Alright, sawa.
Sija influence mtu yote. Mimi
maoni yako.
Nikidunda na dunda na yeye. Nikipita na pita na yeye. Hivyo tu.
And we respect that Bandit. So tuongee kuhusu ngoma collab mlifanya na Vida Mise. But sasa di collab gani na venye mko na mingi? Kuna ingine mme freestyle hapa. Tuseme ni project gani mna plan ku release ka collab mkiwa wawili?
Okay, collab na o youngster. I think I'll be very honest with every viewer. Bandit anapenda vocals za Vida Mise. Vida Mise is a big vocalist on the Kenyan scene, on the East African scene. We synchronize. I think tukianza kusoa ati mziki ngapi tumefanya na Vida Mise, tuweza toa ngoma ka 300, si ndio? But Vida Mise is also on himself. Ndio tunapendana, tunafanya mziki. Pia mi Bandit najisimamia kivyangu. Tukiona kitu inakuwa fiti, tunachapa. Kama saa hizi nimwambia Miracle Baby akuje tuchape. Miracle unawezana?
Vita.
Ajibu.
Dandia hii story man.
Hey Miracle, you have to come over here. Yeah.
Ingiza mwili pondi search.
Tuambie.
Miracle Baby and the Bandit. Ar Miracle Baby and the Bandit. We must have.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have my.
Unafikirianga wewe.
Ama nimwambie chorus nioneka hata ingia.
Niko na hii.
Ati Uptown girl them say them one more. Downtown girls them say them one more. Fine girls them say them one more. Bandit I'ma give it to them. Uptown girls them say them one more. Downtown girls them say them one more. Fine girls them say them one more. Miracle give it to them. Check this. Check this. Check this. Lola. Ako bie. Ako sawa, itaweza.
Hiyo collab
Hiyo fusion inaweza.
Hiyo iko fiti, si ndio?
Sasa
swali sasa mimi nimekuachia by the way. Mimi nimekuachia.
Yeah.
Take over na Bandit.
Halo.
Twende. Sasa.
Nisimi?
Utaezana na Mugithi. Utaezana na Mugithi.
Tunachandika kila kitu. Na tunafanya hiyo kitu saa hiyo.
Piga Mugithi. Twende.
Saa hiyo. Saa hiyo.
Napenda hii hype manze hiyo.
Bandit. Tuongelee ngoma yako ya Champion. I guess time nilikuona ukiperform ulikuwa umevaa drip ya white. Nikakuona ukiperform ngoma inaitwa Champion. Na mayouth wengi wamekuwa kivibe sana na hiyo ngoma mtaani. Tuambie kuhusu hiyo ngoma. Na utupigie ka freestyle ya champion.
Yaani kwanza uliona nimechapa drip ya white.
Kila kitu yani kutoka juu hadi chini.
Au kucheki nimechapa camouflage. Nikimbia vaja. Sini wala drip on wears. Pedano. If you want the drip, mana bandit you 5 years.
Mana plug.
Not a plug. Original. This is plug kama Miracle Baby. Yeah. Champion is about all champions. Miracle Baby, I was telling him he's a champion. Pon Giengeton. He's now becoming another champion. Pon Mugide. A champion atandike chafua. Huwa hiyo kitu. No nigga, she a champion. No nigga. Unaona, you're a champion. My DJ pon the place. Champion. All of them youth men, all of them women them, all of them men. Yeah, everybody. All of you are champions. This is a song for you. You are a champion. Remember, you are a champion. Because a bandit, he must say so. No one can contest this.
Aya, juu ya time venye naambiwa hapa tumalizie na doba.
Funge hii kitu.
Kwanza tuwapatie social media ndio wabaki wakiperform ngoma. Social media ya Vida Mise, mali totoa ngoma zako.
Mimi Vida Mise everywhere. Vida Mise tu kila mahali tu unaniwahi jo. Support.
Spell jina.
VIDHA alafu MISEH. Rahisi hivyo tu.
Wazi.
Kila mahali.
Vida Mise.
Bandit 254, I'm a Kenyan. Bandit with the double E-T. The Bandit 254. Follow me. Na mkini follow msisahau follow Vida Mise. Na msisahau le jamaa Mogide. The champion Mogide. Hata ugal them nuns, you know. I follow her. Follow them people them. I follow them. Bandit tail them. I follow them. DJ, keep me with that tune. Check me! Champion! Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a champion. Fun the tune man a killer. And everybody know me a real big sealer. Me a the girl them sugar. Them video me a slaughter, me a butcher. A butcher me a butter, me a hotter than a lover. Me sick than the cancer, me a higher than the liquor. I speak yes I'm louder and I bang like a speaker. They know me a bad at them, follow me on Twitter. Baby wine and toast, chinky shaky doggo you a find of toast. Chinny kwa chinny bend and touch your toes. Sexy girl. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a champion. The supernatural regular, the bad man superior. Rolling so heavier, check me the heavier. Me the raga lenzi, saya the heavier. The big boot on gore better clear the area. The dance on up on your disc to me a fi pass. TKMC's pondy a yes me man. One bad man all of them me a fi crush. Like a missile, me a the filler. Me a the real raga criminal. Bandit original, dance all official. Flow me so critical, musical and lyrical. Akila serial, Superman invisible. Good boy a mythical. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a the champion. Baby, wine and pose. Think it's a kid, no go, you a find no toes. Think it's what you bend and touch your toes. Sexy girl, stop that close. Baby, wine and pose. Think it's a kid, no go, you a find no toes. Think it's what you bend and touch your toes. Sexy girl, stop that close. Champion, me a the champion. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do. Bandit! You better come and do it. Go in the work there. Champion, me a the champion. And everything I do like a
follow manze. Mad high Peter.
Mad energy.
What do you gotta tell people?
Mani. Yes. Na tuagerirwo kumenya noguo. Kama kila mtu wote anajua he or she is Mogoroki, come here.
Come together.
Let's do this. Mad energy. Mad energy. I love that.
Wow.
Napenda hivyo.
Ilikuwa lit sana manze, ndio?
Imenikumbusha vitu mingi sana.
Imekukumbusha nini?
Vitu mingi sana.
One.
Yes.
Imekukumbusha nini? Mimi najua kitu imekukumbusha.
Yes.
Fajalia wakuo. Ndamenya hali wathi. Kuna watu wengine tuliendana na Peter. Jika unakumbuka hiyo show.
Yeah.
Wakuwetu ni yako huko school. I know them. Imekuwa lit sana. So, tukwaragia thoro wa riri.
Champion.
Mondo tathiaga kwa be wake.
Yeah.
Juu hajasema huo ni champion. Unaona?
Yeah.
Na ule thia Kimangoto, by the way, I dare everybody. Hebu visit be wako. Hii wiki. Wacha wakae rada. Wakae wakijo unaweza visit anytime. Uone nini itafanyika. And I think reality is the best.
Mtakosana bure.
Simkosane.
Kwani umpendi?
Nampenda lakini kuna vitu
kama unapenda babe wako acha kuenda.
Kama ananipenda mbona anafanya vitu zinaweza nikasirisha? Kwani love inakuanga one sided by the way.
Matua mage mundu ndatuaga ni kwenda kwa ngoro yake ona kana kana. Mundu ndatua ni kwenda kwa ngoro yake.
Visit your bay. I said so.
No, I say if you want to be beaten with butwa, visit.
Bora watu wasifight. Weenda uone venye kunaendanga kama hauko. In fact wero kako ukindo tha inyanyo gucio tuko. Oguo kana tha ithano cia kiroko. Sawa. Hizo ndio masaa. Enda mtembelee ujue ni aje. Mwambie manze nimekumiss. Nimeota vibaya. Nimeota ndoto mbaya. Yaani mpaka nimeshinda kukufikia.
Unapoteza rorere.
Sasa watu wajuane. Hizi times wacha watu wajuane bro. Eke ndo mamenyane. Ndio tuwe kule mwana wa Facebook atuelekee Inoro TV tuambie na Twitter na Instagram atuelekee Peter. Over kidogo tunaingia kwenye dancehall.
Yes, Mad energy na hivyo ndo tunaendelea hadi tamati.
Nikio huyo.
Hadi tamati. Iweze kumalizia. So, namba yetu ni 0706 52 ne ho thomo no wenda gutohorera thimu ona thaici hora 0706
ndo utatilia manani.
So zingine 0702 hiyo ingine malizia nyewe na 52 man tiga kuhigi sana
0706525252. Tupigie simu tuambie Bandit amekubamba kivipi, unajua ngoma yake gani, umeelewa nini naye, na pia tume request kwa DJ Quiver. At the same time tuambie ushai visit baby yako kama hujamshow ulikuta nini. Haya basi Pondi dance.
Haya simu ishaingia. Halo. Ni aje? Kuradhi atia. Wetagwo atia baba itu? Na niga kena muno ni tondu ni uranyona hau uguo mtaani. Reu baba witu. Thank you very much and God bless you. Reu gori aterere. Ni uhikanetie. Aya reu mandamu yaku tone njui ndungigeikara uguo ati kiri. Ni yagireirwo guka gugucerereta kwirite. Ithe ndiona maune magori na no arauga ati mokage materite mundu. Na no arauga ati mokage materite mundu. Tataria nake omutare.
Kwani niki giki muretigira? Kama uta wira uri kutwathie kama ko mwe mikora inyue. Mbona nisikuje kwako kama sijakwambia? I think bado tuko naye bado. Mbona nisikuje kwako kama sijakwambia na wewe ni wangu? Ama mimi si mama yako. Mama yako mtoto yangu. Anajera bado wako. Hello? Siria ni turamote, tunampoteza kidogo, si ndio? Tusimsikii sahi. Kuna chali niliambia nafaa kukuja kwako ama demu yako nafaa kukuja kwako kama hajakwambia. Anajoliri aterere kwani wewe ni mama yangu. Ajelio na mami yake okaniajiraga. I mean, why? But then kama una date mtu uwezi enda kwake kama hujamwambia. Red flag.
Ni respect tu.
Big red flag. Si respect iko. Unajua igikarage menyaga naweza kuja kwako anytime. Mimi ndio nitachagua heshima. Nisemange si lazima niende. Acha tu nimwambie naenda ndio tufanye 1 2 3. Lakini inafaa kuwa free. Kwa conscious tu I can go there anytime. Na pia inafaa kujua unaweza enda huko anytime. Na yeye anaweza kuja kwangu anytime.
Hiyo thimu ege. Oya.
Hello? Yes, weta watia na unatu erorera wimwe noriko. Kumako? Dhubukia. Subukia, weta watia? Kuria, leo gori aterere kuria. Manzi yako anaweza kuja kwako kama hajakwambia. Ati hawezi. Atake. Kwa nini asikuje kama hajakwambia? Atike.
Ni arumana.
Ati hiyo ni vibaya, si wewe ni wake. Kwa nini unaogopa atapata kwa nyumba yako? Tuge inyothe mwe cheaters. Pita ongea na cheater mwenzako.
Cheater.
Cheaters. Cheating.
Bro. Ni aje cheater mwenza?
Cheaters.
Sisi si lion, sisi ni cheaters. Garis. Leo papa Vitore. Aya reure. Taetoka na andu eri atatu ana atano uguo tumenye ni aje tondu ni wagenia twetwo cheaters. Wazi. Luna korona karwimbo kamwe. Wazi. No korona karwimbo kamwe karege uyu utoinire hanini gifungo kimwe tu.
Ina cheaters prayers.
Sawa basi reke tukaina muthenya ucio ungi nima.
Cheaters.
Cheaters ni athie.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
You are all cheaters. You are cheating.
You are a lion.
Yeah. Cheaters. Ama niaje kuiva? Umekubali?
Hapana.
Mbona of all the people wewe kuiva yani una cheater.
Be a dancer.
Imba cheaters. Okay, tena kausi.
Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Because the girl them broke out on the floor. From you don't wanna work this performer. From you don't wanna man where can't turn you on. Girl, make I see you when them upon ya. Can't stand for the long, nah. Eat no yam, no steamed fish, nah, no green banana. But down in Jamaica, we give it to you hot like a sauna. Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Hey, I get
I'm hoping everybody's full of energy right now.